Hello there, my friends. Hope you all are having an awesome day right now. So, in this video, we are going to be doing something different. So, this is not going to be a sorting algorithm video, but we are going to look at how we can download any YouTube video using Python. And this is a really cool thing that we can do with Python. And in case you have lost any of your videos, you can easily download these videos with the help of Python. So let's get started on how we can do this. So firstly, since my channel is focused on computer science, I think you all would know how to install Python. Nevertheless, the link will be in the description and the current version of Python is 3.8. So it would be cool if you install that version. So when Python gets installed, there are a few things which get installed along with it. And these are called packages, and you can use these packages to do a lot of different stuff. For example, math is a package which can be used to do math operations. Also, there are many packages which do not come installed with Python, and you can use them by installing them onto your computer. And one way of doing this is by using this thing called pip, which comes with Python. So, what you can do with pip is you can install any package, like for example the pygame package. So in this video we'll be downloading a very useful package called the YouTube DL package using pip, so that we can download any video from YouTube. So let me show you how to do it, and this is assuming that you already have Python installed on your computer. By default, Python is installed in this directory right here. So in this directory, if you type pip, you should see the following things appear on your command line screen. And yeah, so a bunch of these appear. So install packages, download packages, and for now we are going to use this install packages, and that is because we are going to install the YouTube DL package. So all you have got to do is come to this directory and type the following. So pip install YouTube DL. So what this does is it just installs this package called YouTube DL, using which you can download any video from YouTube. So when you click enter, you should see the following. So installing collected packages, it's installing the package. So yep, the YouTube DL package has successfully been installed onto my computer. So I'm ready to use it. So this is really simple, guys. All you've got to do is type YouTube DL and leave a space. So you have got to go to your video and copy the link of the video that you want to download. I have already got the link copied into my clipboard, so I'm just going to paste it. This is the link for one of my videos. I guess it's the heap sort video, and now you've got to press enter. So now it starts downloading this, and yep, the download has been completed. You can see this 100% right here. So yep, that's that, and you can also see the name of the video right here. And so now all that you've got to do to get your video is go to your file explorer and copy this path right here and paste it in your file explorer, and you can find the video at that location. And this should be used only if you have lost one of your videos and badly want to get it back from YouTube. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon to receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.